So, kiddo, what do you want to do for fun?
Nothing!
Cupcakes? Oh, yeah! To the kitchen!
The following is a paid commercial announcement for Astounding Products.
Hi, welcome to Astounding Products.
I hate this channel.
No! No!
I'm your host, the guy in the sweater who asks all the obvious questions. Now, here to tell us about his astounding product for making cupcakes, all the way from Cheshire, England, please welcome...
Somebody
Do you love making cupcakes but hate all the hard cupcake work?
No.
Forget everything you know and say bye-bye to the amazing cupcakeinator and say hello to the amazing Spider-Man!
My name's the human spider.
Cupcake a what? Cupcake!
Elevator!
This amazing device can instantly make cupcakes out of
Nothing!
you have in the kitchen. Wait a minute, did you say
Nothing! 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 Nothing!
I'll get you, and I'll look like a bloody accident.
Nothing!
Now, let's see.
I found the candy.
No!
Now, close the lid and Bob's your flippin' uncle. What an astounding product! Then place it in the conventional oven. You're stupid. Now wait just a minute. And you're ugly, just like...
My mom!
Did you just call your mother ugly? Shut up! I mean it. I will end you.
Cat.
What about it? Oh, I see. I've chopped it off. Well, that's interesting because... Son of...
Odin.